Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Framer, Webflow, and Wix. Framer is a web builder made for designers who want modern, interactive websites without coding. It uses a simple drag and drop system and gives you creative freedom with smooth animations, real-time previews, and easy editing. It's perfect for landing pages, portfolios, and startup websites that need a clean and stylish design. It also supports AI tools to help you build faster. However, Framer might feel limited if you need backend features or complex online store. Webflow offers more advanced control while still being no-code. It's powerful for designers and developers who want to build professional and responsive websites. Webflow lets you custom layouts, animations, and even handle content through its CMS. You can also manage SEO, hosting, and design in one place. It's great for freelancers, agencies, or businesses that need full design freedoms. But because it has so many tools, beginners might find it a little harder to learn. Wix is the most beginner-friendly of the three. It's easy to set up with hundreds of templates and a simple editor. You can create blogs, business websites, or online stores without any design experience. Wix also has an AI feature called Wix ADI that builds a site for you based on your answer. It's perfect for small businesses or personal projects, but Wix gives less design flexibility compared to Framer or Webflow, and websites can feel less customized. If you want fast, modern design with cool animation, Framer is best. If you need full creative control and advanced tools, go for Webflow. If you want something quick and easy, especially as a beginner, Wix is the better choice. It all depends on your skill level and website goals. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.